POTS market is one of the main pillars of the POTS ecosystem. While POTS money represents the financial side, DeFi, staking, liquidity, bonds, and rewards, POTS market represents the prediction layer. But what does that mean? A prediction market is a platform where people can participate in markets based on future events. For example, will a certain team win a championship? Will Bitcoin go above a specific price before a certain date? Will a law be approved? Will a political, economic, or sports event happen? On platforms like Polymarket, users buy positions based on what they believe may happen. If many people believe an event is likely, the price goes up. If the market believes it is less likely, the price goes down. That is why, in a prediction market, the price is not just a number. The price represents a collective probability. This is the core idea behind POTS market, turning opinions, information, and expectations from many people into a market signal. But POTS market aims to go beyond simple speculation. Its vision is to build a decentralized prediction infrastructure, where users can create markets, participate in them, provide liquidity, and help form consensus around real-world outcomes. The process can be understood in 5 simple steps. First, an event is created. For example, will Bitcoin reach a certain price before the end of the month? Second, users participate by buying or selling positions based on their analysis. Third, the market starts forming a probability. As more information enters the market, the price changes. Fourth, when the event ends, the verification phase begins. Oracles or verification mechanisms help determine the real outcome. And fifth, the system settles the market and distributes payments according to the rules. The importance of POTS market is that it is not only about predicting the future. It is also about creating a more open way to discover information. Instead of depending only on a central authority to decide what is true, the system relies on rules, smart contracts, community verification, and decentralized mechanisms. Inside the POTS ecosystem, this plays a very important role. POTS money helps build the financial foundation: liquidity, staking, bonds, incentives, and participation. POTS market can become the layer where that liquidity connects with real-world events, information, prediction, and consensus. That is why POTS is built around 2 major architectures. One financial layer, represented by POTS money, and one decentralized prediction layer, represented by POTS market. The POTS token also has a special role in this vision, because it is designed as the native token of the prediction market, focused on infrastructure, incentives, and governance. In simple terms, POTS market can be understood as a platform similar in concept to Polymarket, but with a broader vision. Not only allowing people to participate in predictions, but also building a Web3 infrastructure that turns information, probability, and consensus into real value. POTS market seeks to answer one major question. Can decentralized markets help us discover what is more likely, what can be verified, and what can be considered true in a digital economy? That is the essence of POTS market: prediction, consensus, verification, and decentralized settlement.